Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a brand new Nautique G23 that just showed up. This is the 2021 model year. The full hull has been redesigned from the ground up. It now shares the same hull as the Paragons. Part of that, your bow got a lot wider. Look at the seating on the front here. We even have a cushion that flips around to turn the whole bow into a sun pad. Since this is the coastal edition, you've got freshwater washout and closed loop cooling system, as well as anodes. In addition to redesigning the hull, they've redesigned the platform as well as the whole boarding area. We now have cup holders down at water level, as well as on each side of the seat here. Cooler, redesign, a lot bigger, hold ice a lot longer. As we come through the boat, we've got our walkway that we've had in the past to make it very easy to get on and off the boat. Flight control tower comes equipped with JL audio tower speakers, as well as the strapless board racks. Tons of seating as we walk throughout the boat. You've got in-floor dedicated cooler storage, dedicated phone holder, as well as a secondary phone holder with a window to view it, so it stays nice and dry in its compartment. Bluetooth, USB connectivity, charge ports throughout, lots of cup holders. And on this one, we even have heated drivers and passenger seat. Finally, up at the bow, look at the size of this space. You've got room for 3-4 people just up in the bow alone. If you guys have any questions about this boat or any of the other awesome Nautiques that you see here, give me a call, shoot me a text, 303-875-3988. Thanks.